Some cars are remembered not because they were the newest, but because they were different. This Toyota MR2 came to Colorworks for a proper restoration, with all body parts replaced back to original stock components, bringing the car back to the way it was meant to be. The body was then refinished in a deep midnight blue, giving the MR2 that unmistakable old-school JDM character and a touch of the initial D nostalgia. Paired with frozen silver rims, the contrast gives this classic MR2 a clean, timeless, and purposeful look. No unnecessary modifications, no shortcuts, just original parts, proper restoration, and a finish worthy of classic. Some legends don't need to be reinvented. They just need to be brought back.